Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss. And then you can use one at the side. There's it's actually technical if you're doing this by yourself, but you can just put it to trial and see how you can do it. So like I said before, I already have a detailed video showing how you can actually do the patterns very well, but this is actually a very easy pattern. If you can just check out the video, I'm also going to freeze this part so that you can actually see the pattern very well in a bit. So this is just a very easy pattern to do. So this is just basically it. From the front part, you just pat it all the way down like so, and that's just that's just all that there is to it. And then I'm just going to be sewing in that direction just like so. So yeah, I went ahead to making sure that the front is well slick, and then after I start doing that, I just went ahead to brush, and then I brought out the baby hairs um for this hairstyle. If you're the type that don't really like this, you can just keep this part, but well, I just felt like I should actually bring out the baby hairs because that's what I like, you know. So yeah, moving on, I used a little piece of braiding extension just to braid the top part, because I wanted to make sure that this part will is it has should I say body. Yes, that it has quite a body for me to sew round. And most people actually use the bonding method to actually do the wrap around, but I just preferred to just use the sewing method because I didn't want to just stain the extension with bonding glue. So I was gonna sew this part, that's the ponytail part. You're gonna be seeing that This is the final look and I'm really loving this result. I know you guys do too. And yeah, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do subscribe and hit the like button. And yeah guys, that is all for this tutorial and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.